What's up, everybody? Steve Williams, founder and president of creditrepairshop.com. I've already made my video for today, but this is an extra supplemental video because we were just reviewing a client's paperwork for a response to a court summons, and something popped up that I didn't even expect. And that's why I always tell you to make sure that you get the credit reports, because a lot of evidence could be sitting right there on the credit report that will stop a debt collector right in their tracks. Let me tell you what just happened. We have a client working on their credit, and they got a court summons. I said, just let me review it. Let me just see what they got to say. Let's get you prepared to do a debt validation, get you that information. But I always say you need to look at the credit reports. The credit reports is just like another piece of the puzzle from what the original creditor had said about the account, and you want to watch out for some things. Well, lo and behold, when we looked at the credit reports, it said that the debt was canceled. Let me tell you, when it comes to debt in the terminology that creditors use, they don't say cancel just for any reason. Just like they don't say write off and charge off just for any reason. They didn't just pick those words just out of the blue. Those are legal terms for what they intend on doing with the debt. When they say that they canceled the debt, that means that they have technically forgiven the debt and that they're not going to collect on that debt. When they state that on her credit reports, it said that the debt was canceled. So now you have on the credit reports from the creditor that they claim on the summons is coming after her for the money, which we know they're not. It was sold with a whole bunch of other debt. This is what probably happened. This account accidentally got thrown in with a whole bunch of other accounts that were charged off or written off, and it was sold. This is a bad mistake. This is a bad mistake on the behalf of a debt collection company, because they're supposed to check to make sure that none of these debts that they're buying have been canceled. So when I saw that, I said, this debt is canceled. They cannot collect on this, because what they're going to do is they're going to send a 1099-C debt cancellation form to the IRS, and the IRS is going to contact her and say, you owe money on this additional income, which there is a stipulation where you can not have to pay on that due to a hardship. But that's the normal way that they would do it. So please, please, please check your credit reports whenever you get a debt, because you want to look at it from the original charge-off date. You want to look at it to see if they said that it was canceled. It's showing that it's canceled on the credit reports. So you already have the evidence. She has the evidence. And immediately a letter was drawn up and written to that debt collection attorney. And I will give you an update on what happens, but I'm 100% sure that they will cease all collection activities and cancel the court summons, the lawsuit against her. So please follow my instructions on that, because this is where they make the mistakes. They don't expect people to check in and do this stuff. So if you need your credit reports, there's a link below here, below this video. Go to your3scores.com. You're the number three scores.com. Go to the creditrepairshop.com if you need help with your credit. Please share these videos. Please like these videos. I really need the likes so we can get it to more people, to help more people. You're involved with this. Also, when you like videos, it helps find other people that had the same issues or had the same questions about credit and debt that you have. It helps the videos find them also. So please like my videos. And also, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. This is real information, real credit repair and debt and debt settlement and debt collection information, not stuff that's in a book or or some type of theories or somebody's guessing. This is real information. We deal with clients every day. So thank you again, and I want you to have a great day.